This will be a simple overview of deadening, real quickly. This truck, after I drove it last night, just as it is, as you can see, well, I had a seat. I found out very quickly this truck rattles pretty bad. It's put together, it may look pretty and everything, but it's put together like a truck, unfortunately. So what I am going to be doing is I'm going to go ahead and finish out laying the entire floor structure, even though that the bottom side of the bottom side of the carpet has a very thick foam pad. That's good. That'll help eliminate some of the noise problems we have. But I need to shut it down. I need to make it as quiet as possible, because if you tap around this truck, there are noises everywhere, especially like here in the middle section here. It's really, really bad. Even the firewall, which originally I thought was going to be perfectly fine, turned out that there's barely anything across the tunnel structure, as you can see. So I'm going to be deadening across all this area. Now I'm going to use all sorts of different materials to do this. I find that deadening material is probably one of the more expensive sections that you're going to spend whenever you're doing your car. So what you want to do is you want to use material that will work for the job and appropriate for the job. Like here, I'm going to use some Ram mat. This is a good buddy of mine, Rick. This is going to be taking care of my floor. I'm going to put this all over the floor structure, and I'll be just running a single layer. I don't have to double it up. I don't have to triple it up and stuff at all. But I'll just be running this Ram mat on the floor. This is a Cascade material. I have other materials that I have at my disposal, but this is a really nice material that I like. It's pretty thin, but it has a good inert material. And this is going to be used in the door. This will be put into the skin structure directly behind where the speaker is going to be located. I'm going to put up behind the speaker itself. I'm going to put a very special deadening structure so that I can maximize so the back weave doesn't have any reflection problems. And so, but inside the rest of the door, I will go ahead and do that. I'm also going to take a foam. It's a lightweight foam that I have, and I'm going to put it between this white layer and the skin of the truck. That will be my sealing layer between the two. Also, I'm going to be using what normally is used for a hood liner material. As a matter of fact, this is the Dynamat material. I lost my mind, but it's a very thin foam opening. And what this is going to do is it's going to help dissipate energy in the door skin itself. And so, on the outside of the door skin, not the inside of the door skin, but the outside. So behind the speaker, I'm going to put this directly behind the speaker, and this will act as a barrier that will absorb the higher frequency range, higher upper frequencies, and it'll just kill it as it goes, because the thickness in the material dictates how much energy how much it's going to absorb. And so between this and this will kill lower frequencies. This will damp the actual steel itself, so it'll lower hopefully what I'll do is I'll change the resonance so that it's lower or out of the pass band that I'm going to be using the speaker in, and then this will help deal with high frequency dispersion stuff. Other than that, that's what it's going to be. I'll show you the finished product when I'm done.